Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make orange chicken. It's a recipe from the Chinese cuisine. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First let's start with our sauce. The ingredients of our sauce. First, we're gonna need a juice of 2 orange, around 150 grams, half cup oyster sauce, half cup of white sugar, some white vinegar, 1 big spoon of cornstarch, 2 big spoons of soy sauce, 1 big spoon of hoisin sauce, 1.5 spoon of sweet paprika. These are our ingredients, and now let's go and see how to make our sauce. First, dissolve the cornstarch with the white vinegar. In a pot over the stove over medium heat, add the orange juice, the half cup of sugar, 2 spoons of soy sauce, the paprika, half cup of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of hoisin sauce, and finally add the dissolved cornstarch. Then start stirring the mixture. Keep stirring the sauce until it starts to be thick. How to know that our sauce is ready? When you see the bubbles getting smaller and smaller, then you will know that our sauce is ready. Turn the heat off, put it aside, and now let's going to prepare our chicken. I'm having here 600 grams of chicken thigh cut in small pieces like you see, 2 cups of white flour, 1 egg, some olive oil, 2 spoons of cornstarch, some cold water, and some salt. And now let's see how to prepare our chicken. First, add the cornstarch and the salt over the white flour. Mix it very well. Then add over it the egg and start adding the cold water little by little while you stirring, like you see in the video. When you see that the mixture no need more water, add the olive oil and stirring it well. Keep stirring until you reach the pancake texture. Add the chicken in it. cover the bowl and put it on the fridge for around half an hour. After half an hour, in a frying pan with deep oil on it, vegetable oil, fried the chicken. Fry the chicken little by little. Don't put a lot of chicken in the fryer. Fry the chicken little by little to make sure that the pieces not sticking together. Try to separate the pieces that stuck together with your spatula. Fry all the chicken and put it aside. Now let's prepare our rice. I'm gonna do the chicken with rice, but you can eat it alone without rice. I'm gonna do it with white rice. And before I start, I wanna apologize because of unclear filming. I have here a cooked white rice, normal cooked white rice. If you like to know how to make white rice, I'm gonna leave you the link down below this video. If you don't have an old rice, make sure that the rice you're gonna use is dry. So cooked it and put it on the fridge for around 2 hours, then start preparing it. We also gonna need 3 eggs, or depend the quantity that you are cooking, half chopped onion, half spoon of chicken powder, some chopped scallions, little bit of soy sauce, and half spoon of sugar. In a pot over low heat, put some oil, then immediately add the eggs in it, then add the rice over it. Here we're gonna cover the rice with the eggs. That's why you have to add the rice immediately. Don't wait until the egg is fried. Mix the rice with the egg very well. Then add the chopped onion. Mix it up. Then add the sugar, the soy sauce, the chicken powder. Mix all together. Then finally add the scallion, mix it up, and our rice is done. Now let's see the final step of our recipe. In a frying pan, put some vegetable oil, wait a little bit, then add minced garlic, around 3 cloves of minced garlic, and some minced fresh green ginger. Mix with the oil, then add the chicken pieces over it, some chopped onions, some small pieces of scallion, stirring it for around 4 minutes. Then add the sauce that we prepared before. Mix all together very well to cover all the pieces of chicken with our sauce, and that's it. As I told you before, you can eat it as it without anything, or you can eat it over a white rice. Here I did the white rice, and now I'm gonna add it over it. My friends, this is all for today. We made orange chicken from Chinese cuisine. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.